Usually when I have leftover rice, I make a fried rice. It's a fantastic opportunity to use up leftover ingredients. But the other day I made this for my nieces and they loved it more than fried rice. It's fried rice patties with lots of ham and cheese in it. So this rice is a few days old. The older the better with the rice. You want it to be kind of dry so it gets really crispy as it fries in the pan. We'll add some ham. I've just finely diced it. And this is the opportunity to sneak in a few veggies. So some carrot, just some grated carrot, and some cheese, of course. The cheese is not only for flavour, but it's a great binding agent. Along with some peas, plain flour, again to help it bind, and finally 1 egg. So I'll just crack that into a bowl first, and then in it goes. A little seasoning, so a pinch of salt. Not too much because the ham is salty and also we've got the cheese in there. And then with a spoon, we're just going to give that really good mix, making sure everything is combined nicely. Even just use the back of your spoon just to break everything up. What we're wanting is for it to just bind, just to hold. See how that's holding? That's what we're after. Now to fry. I've been preheating my pan and I'm using a classic extra virgin olive oil for this. This is a cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. This is the one I use most in my kitchen because it's an all-rounder. Fantastic for dressings, but it's also fantastic for shallow frying just like this. So we want a good couple of tablespoons of our extra virgin olive oil in the pan. That's looking good. And we can start frying. So I want to make these bite-sized, so about a tablespoon's worth. Just pop some in your hand and squish it together. Always have some water on standby too, so if it gets a bit too sticky, you can place your hands in the water and it won't stick to your hands. See how it's just holding? That's what we're after. Okay, so we're going to pop that into our extra virgin olive oil. Press that down and then we'll just cook a few of these. It'll take about a minute on each side or until they're golden brown. How good do these little rice patties look? Crispy on the outside. You can see it's so golden because of all of that lovely cheese and of course because we fried in that classic extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm just taking them out and just draining off the oil and these are ready to devour. So you can serve this with a little bit of chutney. I know the kiddies, they love their tomato sauce, so tomato sauce, or just as is. They are so delicious. Do let them cool down slightly because they are going to be piping hot. This is a lovely way to use up rice and any other leftovers you have in the fridge.